For over a century, BMW Motorrad has defined the art of motorcycling. But what happens when legendary German engineering meets three-wheeled freedom? Welcome to the world of BMW Trikes, where stability meets sophistication and the open road becomes accessible to everyone. Now let's be clear, BMW doesn't manufacture factory three-wheelers for 2026, but what they've created is something arguably better. A versatile platform that's become the canvas for America's finest trike conversion specialists. Companies like Hannigan Motorsports, MTC Voyager, and innovative custom shops have transformed iconic BMW motorcycles into stunning three-wheeled masterpieces that retain everything you love about the brand, while adding stability, storage, and year-round confidence. The most popular platforms? The BMW K1200 LT, a luxurious touring behemoth with a smooth inline-six engine delivering 160 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque. This bike was born for conversion. Its low center of gravity, shaft drive, and integrated systems make it the perfect foundation for long-distance three-wheeled touring. Then there's the BMW 1150 RT and newer R1300 models, those iconic boxer twins that define BMW's heritage. The horizontally opposed engine creates natural balance, while the classic styling translates beautifully to trike form. And for the truly adventurous, custom builders are now converting the mighty BMW R18 with its colossal 1802cc boxer motor into retro-styled roadsters that would make pre-war racing legends jealous. A Hannigan conversion isn't just bolting on a rear axle, it's a complete transformation. Picture this: independent rear suspension with double wishbone geometry, adjustable coilovers tuned specifically for your riding style, and a differential borrowed from precision German automotive engineering. The kit adds approximately 320 pounds, but what you gain is immeasurable. Stability in crosswinds, confidence in corners, and the ability to carry a 5-gallon auxiliary fuel tank for those epic cross-country adventures. Every detail matters. Matched fenders formed from hand-shaped aluminum, integrated brake systems with proportional rear braking, LED lighting that communicates with BMW's onboard electronics, trailer hitches rated for serious cargo, and storage. My friends, so much storage. We're talking 6 cubic feet of weatherproof trunk space, integrated panniers, and top cases that swallow your gear without breaking a sweat. Who rides a BMW Trike? Veterans who've logged hundreds of thousands of miles on two wheels, but want to keep riding without the physical demands of balancing a 700-pound touring bike. Couples who've discovered that three wheels means never having to put your feet down at a stoplight. Your passenger stays comfortable, secure, relaxed. Riders recovering from injuries who refuse to give up the freedom of the open road. And a growing number of enthusiasts who simply appreciate the unique presence a well-executed trike commands. Because let's be honest, when you roll up to a rally on a BMW K1200 LT conversion with its swooping bodywork, heated seats, GPS navigation, and that signature German build quality, you're not compromising, you're making a statement. But the aftermarket conversion is just the beginning. Custom builders like Shift Custom in Belarus are pushing boundaries, creating one-off masterpieces that blend BMW's boxer heritage with vintage racing aesthetics. Imagine an R18 wrapped in hand-formed aluminum bodywork reminiscent of the 1937 BMW 328, kidney grills up front, louvered panels, Rudge Whitworth center-lock wheels, and a Bluetooth sound system integrated into the nose cone. It's rolling automotive art that happens to have motorcycle DNA. These aren't kit cars, these are bespoke machines, where chassis engineering is done in CAD, suspension geometry is optimized for the specific weight distribution, and every body panel is shaped by craftsmen using traditional coach building techniques. The result? A trike that looks like it rolled out of a 1930s European Grand Prix paddock, but rides with 21st century precision. Let's talk practicality. A complete Hannigan conversion kit runs around $9,000, not including installation. Figure another $2,000 to $4,000 for professional mounting, alignment, and integration. But here's the savvy move. Buy a BMW that's already been converted. The market is filled with immaculate examples. Low-mileage K1200 LTs with full trike conversions, easy steer systems, electric windshields, heated everything, and more accessories than you